Hi students! How's it going? How are you doing? I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to our 7th recipe. Today we will make muffins. Muffins are like a healthy version of cupcakes, and we eat muffins for breakfast and sometimes for a snack. And more specifically, today we will be making apple cinnamon muffins. So good. Let's see how we make the muffins. First, let's look at the ingredients.
To make apple cinnamon muffins, you will need apples, cinnamon, flour, oat flour, sugar, brown sugar, salt, eggs, milk, oil, and baking powder.
And now that we know the ingredients, let's take a look at the directions. How do we make muffins? How do we make apple cinnamon muffins? Here you go. Here are the directions.
Add 1 cup of flour, a half cup of oat flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt. Mix all of the dry ingredients. Then in another bowl, add 1 egg, beat the egg with a fork, then add 1/3 cup of oil and 1/3 cup of milk. Mix the ingredients together. And then mix together the wet and the dry ingredients. You may need to add a little bit of milk or water. Next, chop 2 apples. Peel the apples. And after you peel all of the apples, you will chop them up into small pieces. Then put the pieces in the bowl and mix the apple pieces with the other ingredients. Mix until well combined. Then fill your muffin tray with a spoonful of the mixture. This mixture should make 12 muffins. When you're finished, put them in the oven for about 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. That's it.
All right, so our muffin is ready. Look at our apple cinnamon muffin. Doesn't it look good? So let's try it. I'm curious. Do you think it will be good, delicious, gross? Let's see. Let's take a bite. I think it's good. Good for breakfast with coffee or milk. You can kind of see the inside. There's little pieces of apple. Okay? So, those were apple cinnamon muffins. And you know what to do for our project. Turn the page and write this recipe, the ingredients in the directions, in your English recipe book. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.